Hi everyone, Emily here with SBBlooms, and today I am going to show you how to recreate one of our installs that is featured in our new 2025 Fall Winter Lookbook. This is our new Nina collection. She is refreshed and revived, and we really love how she turned out. So today we're just recreating a simple arch using only 3 products from our new Nina collection. The products that we will be using are listed in the description, as well as a similar arch to the one that we just did and the zip tie. This came out really great. It is very easy to do and it creates a lot of impact. We can't wait to see you recreate this for your special day. So I guess we can get into it. First, we're going to start out by attaching 4 of these Nina Garland. These are our new Nina Garlands to this gold arch. And you will attach them using zip ties. I am attaching it to the other side. This is really easy to attach to basically any structure. You can even double these up if you want it to look thicker, but we're just going to do one today. I am going to add it to the top. Since I have leftover, I'm going to pull this one down a little bit and attach this right here. We're going to wrap it around the center and we're going to attach these throughout. You're just going to place them wherever you feel like it needs a little extra. Right here. You're going to finish off the base of each side of the structure with our new Nina Floral Meadows. They have a foam base, so they are easily able to be placed on the ground to finish off any structure. And then you're done. And there you have it, a simple and easy but impactful ceremony arch featuring our new Nina collection. There are a few different ways on how our how-to videos work. We will get requests from the request form below. You can fill that out. Be sure to include your inspo picture, a collection that you are interested in. If you don't have a collection, just give us your color palette and we can suggest one that we think would match perfectly with your vision. We also sometimes poll our Instagram audience on what they want to see next, and sometimes we just do what we think, which is what we did today because we had our lookbook that launched last week. So we were super excited to do this one. If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next. See y'all next time. Bye.